Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by turning the ignition to ACC or on and power up the audio system. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set visibility for 1 minute. Confirm your phone software is iOS 13 or higher or Android 8 or higher for best compatibility with Suzuki features. Keep the phone within 3 feet of the infotainment screen during setup. Close other Bluetooth apps to avoid interference. Have the original USB cable handy if you plan to use wired CarPlay or Android Auto. On the Suzuki Infotainment, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and choose Add Device. On your phone, scan for nearby devices and select Suzuki Swift from the list. When a PIN appears, verify it matches and confirm 0000 on both devices if prompted. Allow your phone to grant contacts and media access to enable hands-free calls and audio streaming. Wait until the infotainment displays connected and the phone shows paired. If pairing fails, restart the phone and try again after 30 seconds. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wired, plug your phone into the USB port using the original cable. On first connection, unlock the phone and accept the CarPlay or Android Auto prompt on your screen. For wireless CarPlay, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then select CarPlay from the infotainment menu. Grant location, microphone, and notification permissions on your phone when requested to enable maps and calling. Set the system to automatically connect to your phone for future drives. Disconnect and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.